Hello everyone, I'm Joy from International Sales Department, and I have been working here for 10 years, growing and improving together with this company. Today I'm going to introduce you more about our crushing equipment. And first, let's talk about vibrating feeder. The function of vibrating feeder is to feed the raw material into the crusher evenly and continuously. And this is our i5X series vibrating feeder. It is designed specially for high working efficiency and big feeding size. Like this model, it is a 5X 1660, and the capacity can be up to 950. The max feeding size can be up to 1200 millimeter. The grizzly bars are made of wear-resistant steel. The gaps of the grizzly bars can be adjusted, and the 1 stair and 2 stairs of grizzly bars are optional. Also, the screen under the feeder is also optional. So you may be wondering what makes it efficient. First, our super vibrator. We adopt a super vibrator to ensure the high working efficiency and the stable running of the machine. We also use the aluminum alloy shell for easy heat releasing. And the motor, we use Siemens-based brand, which is the world famous brand, as the standard configuration. And also, what makes it strong? The strong structure, we adopt a heavy-duty structure. We use rectangular tubes instead of I-steel or U-steel, which is used for traditional vibrating feeders. And also, the angle of the feeder can be adjusted. And we use compound spring, which is made up of steel and rubber. It can provide longer service life, low noise, and stable operation to reduce the impact on the foundation. Now let's know more about our jaw crusher. Jaw crusher is usually used for coarse crushing to process big stone to medium size. We mainly have 3 types of jaw crushers: P series, PW, and C6X series. C6X series jaw crusher is our most advanced type jaw crusher, which is designed especially for big capacities. Like this model, C6X 145, the capacity is up to 950 tons per hour, and the max feeding size is 920 millimeter. We have optimized the structure, the crushing chamber, the jaw movement, rotation speed to increase the working efficiency. And the side plates are fixed together with the front wall and the rear adjustment seat by bolts and pins instead of welding. So no welding, no cracking risk for the machine. We also, what's more, the machine can be dismantled and installed underground, so it's very convenient for customers to do the installation and the transportation. We also adopt hydraulic adjustment and a centralized lubrication system for the C6X jaw crusher. For installation, the motor is installed on the machine body instead of by the side of the machine. It can largely save installation space and ensure stable power transmission. And also, we use elastic limit block and rubber shock absorbing device for installation to reduce the impact on the foundation. No need of anchor bolt, so it's also convenient for installation and save the installation time. we adopt world-class components for the equipment. For example, we use SKF bearings for the motor. So this is our C6X jaw crusher, the high working efficiency equipment. Next, let's have a look at the impact crusher.
As the most ideal primary crushing equipment of the world, the appearance of C6X series jaw crushers have made a qualitative leap of crushing equipment's experience in many important aspects. No matter it is applied for the primary crushing of most hard rock and ore, or continuously working in the most harsh environment on the ground or underground, C6X series jaw crushers can fully display its capability and ensure to maximize the production efficiency for our customers. C6X series jaw crushers have reached an unprecedented altitude of manufacturing technology. We optimized the structure, crushing chamber, jaw movement track, and rotation speed to achieve a reasonable inertia movement and a larger crushing stroke. Therefore, C6X reaches higher crushing efficiency when working under the same power, and the customers will get greater return on investment.
Impact crusher is usually used for medium hard stones like limestone, asphalt, dolomite, etc. And we have mainly three types of impact crushers: PF series, PFW, and CI5X series. And this is our CI5X 1520. The capacity is up to 600 tons per hour. So CI5X series impact crusher is designed especially for big working capacity up to 2,000 tons per hour. We have optimized the structure and the rotor with high quality steel to ensure the machine works reliably while the load is high. And the machine is also equipped with automatic overload protection. The crushing chamber is also improved to achieve high working efficiency and get good cubicle shape products. We also adopt a multi-function hydraulic system to realize automatic adjustment of the discharging size. And also the hydraulic top opening of the machine can save the time and the maintenance cost for customer because it's very convenient to replace the spare parts like hammers, liners, impact plates. And CI5X series impact crusher is designed with various models to meet the different requirements like coarse crushing, medium crushing, and fine crushing. Also for fine and medium crushing, we also use another type of crusher. It's our cone crusher.
CI5X series impact crusher represents the most advanced technology. When applied for coarse and fine crushing of soft material, the integrated application of the latest research and development achievements, humanization design concept, and improvements of key wear-resistant materials further meet users' requirements of a high return, less cost, and less power consumption. Thus, it is the best solution for crushing plants with large capacity. CI5X series impact crusher takes the humanized design concept, carve out an exciting experience by the unimaginable simple design. The design of super rotation inertia on high-precision heavy rotors equipped with high-quality bearings ensure the precision and high carrying capacity of a rotor. The materials can be crushed during fully acceleration movement to increase the crushing efficiency. Perfect shape and stable size are the direct results of being crushed by impact force which are also the reason of superiority and confidence of a CI5X series impact crusher, no matter in metallurgical, ceramics, and other industrial sectors, or in the field or infrastructure construction, such as road building. CI5X series impact crusher can show excellent strength smoothly. Ingenious casting and elaborate carving creates the graceful and practical CI5X series impact crusher.
Cone crusher is usually used for hard stones like granite, basalt, and even some minerals like iron ores, gold ores, copper ores. And we mainly have 3 types of cone crushers: S series, HPT, and HST series. This is our HPT series cone crusher. It's also called multi-cylinder hydraulic cone crusher. The working speed of the main shaft of HPT cone crusher is very high, so it can form interparticle crushing while the machine is working. Interparticle crushing means stone touch stone, stone crush stone, so the final product will be good cubical shape. So if you want to get good cubical shape product, HPT cone crusher will be a good choice. In addition, HPT cone crusher is equipped with hydraulic lubrication system and automatic control system. The automatic control system is designed with PLC system, and there's a touch screen monitoring the performance of the machine and displaying the working parameters. And also the customer can give instruction to the machine through the touch screen very conveniently. The machine is also equipped with automatic overload protection. And if you want to change the discharging size, it's also very convenient by the automatic control system. And this is the protective cylinder, and that is the hydraulic adjustment device. And here is our steel structure for HPT cone crusher. It is designed with reasonable structure, and we adopt high quality steel. And there are also some user-friendly design, like the ladder with railing, the maintenance platform, and also the steel support is very strong because the material and the design of the structure is much better optimized. And over there is the main frame of HPT cone crusher. It is manufactured by high quality steel and precisely by CNC machining. And those are the HST cone crusher family. It's another type of hydraulic cone crusher. It's also called single cylinder hydraulic cone crusher. Same as the HPT cone crusher, HST cone crusher is also equipped with a centralized control system and hydraulic lubrication system. The working efficiency is also very high, and you can also get good cubical shape product. And in the crushing plant, usually we use HST cone crusher for secondary crushing or medium crushing, and we use HPT cone crusher for tertiary crushing or fine crushing.
Video script of HPT multi-cylinder hydraulic gyrator crusher. With the application of foreign latest crushing concept, the HPT multi-cylinder hydraulic cone crusher comprehensively improves the experience of the medium and fine crushing applications. We remodel every essential element and integrate into an outstanding and seemingly simple design. We gather the world's most advanced process technologies and sophisticated equipment to integrate the energy conservation and environmental friendliness philosophy on the precondition of guaranteeing the high efficiency and high quality of the products. To reduce the wear of the equipment and improve the quality of the output, We turn from the traditional squeezing crushing principle to the lamination crushing principle to crush the material by means of its mutual interaction, so that the crushed material features high quality and low flaky content.
Now let's have a look at a third type of crusher. In China, natural sand is forbidden to be used, so we have to make sand by machine, which is also called artificial sand. And in the world, in other countries, more people are paying attention on environmental protection. So natural sand is also a scarce resource. And more customers coming to ask us, what kind of machine can produce sand especially? It is our VSI, vertical shaft impact crusher. It's also called sand making machine. Now, VSI is also our star product. We have improved the VSI to 3 generations, and each year we sell thousands of VSI in the world. There's another function of VSI, reshaping of the product. You know, cubical shape and the round shape product is regarded as a high quality product aggregates for building and construction. So VSI can help you to reshape the flaky or needle-like shape product to cubical shape. For some high standard projects like airport, expressway, VSI is usually used as tertiary crusher for reshaping the aggregates. And then let's have a look at our vibrating screen.
The brand new VSI 6X series vertical shaft impact crusher is the result of our pursuit to perfect. To achieve the most efficient design, we carried out the optimization and upgrading of all necessary parts. In order to create such superior equipment, we never compromise in the design and technology. As a core component, the rotor adopts the new design of 4 ports and deep chamber. The crushing performance is improved by more than 20% compared with 3 ports rotor. We also designed 2 crushing mode, which can be quickly switched, rock on rock and rock on iron. Crushing chamber rock on rock mode is suitable for a medium and high hardness material. The product shape is excellent. Rock on iron mode is suitable for soft material. The crushing efficiency is high. At the same time, the equipment is made of high-grade wear-resistant materials. With exquisite technology, it equally stresses on durability and graceful appearance. The design of intelligent thin oil lubrication system not only realizes automatic lubrication control and lack of oil protection, but also keeps the site clean and tidy whether the equipment is used in hard stone crushing, sand making and shaping operations, or crushing processing or construction waste crushing, tailings and other solid waste handling.
Now I'd like to introduce to you our vibrating screen. This is our latest type S5X series vibrating screen. We adopt a super vibrator for the vibrating screen to create bigger vibration force, thus to increase the working efficiency of the screen. We also adopt a flexible connection instead of direct connection, so it can reduce the impact on the motor by the vibration. From the outlooking, you may find there is also no welding on the side plate on the machine. We use high-strength bolts instead of welding. No welding, also no cracking risk. The angle of the screen can also be changed. And we use rubber spring. Rubber spring can provide long service life and low noise and a stable operation. The screen mesh, there are several options of a screen mesh. Customers can choose steel mesh or polyurethane screen mesh. And you can also decide the mesh holes, the size of the mesh holes. We also add the rubber liner and also PU support on the machine to reduce the impact of material and prevent wear and tear. So this is our S5X series vibrating screen.
When being applied for various screening operations, primary crushing, secondary crushing, and final product screening, S5X series circular vibrating screen undoubtedly represents the most advanced vibrating screening technology at manufacturing level nowadays.
Apart from stationary crusher, we also have mobile crusher. If you plan to change the working site from one to another, or save the installation time and space, mobile crusher will be a good choice. And this is our mobile jaw crusher with feeder. The other one is mobile cone crusher with a screen. And the last one behind is mobile impact crusher with a screen. For hard stone, we use jaw crusher plus cone crusher, 2 trailers. And if for medium hard stone, we use jaw crusher plus impact crushers. And we adopt a heavy-duty trailer for the mobile crusher. It is a boat shape. And we put the heaviest main machine on the lowest position of the trailer to reduce the vibration. What's more, we have added the steel track for the mobile crusher. So customer can only need to just fasten the ground, no need of concrete foundation. It will largely save the customer's time. You know, time is money. And the steel track is connected with the hydraulic device, which can lift up the whole machine. So it's very convenient so clients to change the crusher from transportation mode to working mode. And for the feeding hopper, we have optimized the feeding hopper to increase the volume and reinforce the structure so it can bear bigger rocks of bigger capacity. And under the hopper is the vibrating feeder. There are 2 stairs of greasy bars to increase the pre-screening area. And under the screen is the discharging chute. There are 2 outlets of the discharging chute. If there are soils in your raw material, you could choose this outlet and transport the waste by the side belt conveyor. If your raw material is clean, you just change to another outlet by the switch easily. So the clean small stones will be transported to the main belt conveyor, and it can increase the capacity of the machine. And for the vibrating feeder, we adopt the double vibrating motors of Olivolo brand from Italy. Also for the main machine, this is our PEW series jaw crusher. It's also equipped with a centralized lubrication system and a hydraulic adjustment of discharge opening. Apart from wheeled type mobile crusher, we also have crawler type mobile crushers. And next, let's give the time to my colleague Ms. Tracy, who will give an introduction about grinding mills.
As the most comprehensive crushing and screening equipment, the release of K-Series wheel mobile crushing plant breaks the restriction of traditional stationary crushing plant on the working environment to truly realize the approximate processing of material. We set up an all-new standard of convenient and improved function of every basic component. Ever since the beginning, we undertake the design concept to maximize the customer value and build the equipment of more than 70 models in 7 modules, which can be extensively applied for the primary crushing, medium and fine crushing, super fine crushing, sand making, sand washing, reshaping, and screening in the fields of metallic ore, construction aggregates, and solid waste treatment to provide the optimal solutions for the users.